guys, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to tell you how to make code for Microbit in MakeCode. So you can install it from wherever you want. You can install it from web and also from Microsoft Store. I'm using Windows 10 and I installed it. So today we are going to make step counter on MakeCode. So let's get started. So first we'll take this on start loop, and then we'll go to input, and then we'll take on shake and on button A pressed, and one more on button A pressed. We'll switch it to on button B pressed. So these are 4 loops that we want, and then we will go to basic. Then say I have make the 2 variables, this star steps and target steps. So first take this block, set target steps to 0, and to duplicate it and put it on the same loop and switch it to steps. And then choose on shake block, take on shake block, and on shake show number on basic, go to more basic, and show number block, take it, show number steps. Okay, so this is our code. We'll cite it for now, and then we'll go to on start again, go to here, show string hello, so we'll switch it to step counter. Name it whatever you want. I will name it step counter, and then show number steps, and then it will show here on the simulator. So when I reset it, step counter, see, it's showing. Then on shake, let's shake it, 0. So it's not set yet. Okay, on shake, change, where is my change block? Yeah, here, change, not target steps, steps by 1, and then here we'll go to 5. We'll set it to 5. See, not steps, target steps. 5, and we'll press tab, and then it's 0. It's shortcut for my on shake, show number steps, change steps by 1. Let's see how we will switch it up here. So step counter, see, it's showing nice, it's working great till here. And let's see on shake, let's shake it, 1 2 3 4 5, and then 6. So it's like it's working. And to make it more interesting, we'll go to on button A press loop, and then input music. Oh, sorry, I'll go to if else on button A press, we'll go to logic again, comparison block here, and then steps variables group, steps is gray, steps is greater If steps is greater than target steps, then basic show icon happy, and then input, sorry, not input, music. This Microbit version 2. If you have Microbit version 2, then say it. If not, don't worry. Make another sound from this block. Where is this play melody? No, don't worry. And I will go to play sound giggle until done. So I will switch this sound to happy. And then we'll duplicate this. And this also. Else it will show sad. And play sound happy, switch it to sad. Okay, so see, it's very interesting. Let's see it here. Step counter, it's working. Yeah, great. And then one will shake 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6, and then we'll press button A. See, it's working. And then we'll reset it. Step counter again. It will make some time. It is our intro, right? It's like intro of this. So when we'll do 1 2 3 and then we'll press button A. See, it's working very great. I like this. And then we'll shake again. 4 5 6 button A. See, and it's like, see, it's hang it there. So we will go to basic again, show number, and then here's steps, show number steps. Alright, let's duplicate it here too. And like, it's working. And then we'll go to button B pressed. So we will take F block, not F block. So this will show the target steps, right? So on button B pressed, firstly we will go to basic, not basic, variables, change step by 1, target steps by 1. Okay, like we will press button B, it will change target step by 1. So it 5, it will show plus, when we press B button, it will show change target steps. Means it will change the target steps by 1. Alright, let's go again to B block. Then we'll go to show number, then variables, and then target steps. Okay, show number, target steps. It will show the target steps. I think it will be like, okay, then show number, target steps, change target steps by 1. Alright, it's done. Then it's alright, let's test it. Step counter, shake 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then we'll press button A. See, it's very clearly working. Then when we press button B, 5 6 7 8 9, 10. See, 10 it's showing. I think I should add this stop animation block here. See, it's showing Microbit version 2 needed for this. If you don't have, don't worry. This, what is this play sound block? This will not. You can play melody as well. It will work as melody. See, when I will click here over here. So it is editor and there's gallery too. Like, see, it's very easy and it's very interesting. Try it out too. I have version 2 of Microbit, so I'm using this block. So let's get back. Step counter, and when it's also like this, 1, 2, 5, right, 6, button A, and then 7, 8, and then it will also B, and we have to press button B 2 times. 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. It's more like 11. Nice. So when we'll shake 9, 10, and then 11. Okay, and then 12, because when we 11, it will show that it is less than. If you put equal to, it will work, but it will show sad smile. Let's see it. See. See, it's working very great. Nice. I think that's all for today. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.